In this video, I am going to show you how to effectively use the Lyft driver app. Understanding the app can help you maximize your earnings and provide a smoother ride experience. So let's start the video. 1. Download and install the Lyft driver app from the App Store or Google Play Store. 2. Sign in using your Lyft driver account credentials or create a new account if you are a new driver. 3. Complete your profile by entering necessary information such as vehicle details. 4. Go to the Earnings tab to track your daily and weekly earnings. 5. Set your availability by toggling the Go Online switch to start receiving ride requests. 6. Accept ride requests as they come in and follow the in-app navigation to pick up passengers. 7. During the ride, use the app to communicate with passengers and navigate to their destination. 8. End the ride and rate your passenger to help maintain a good driving record. 9. Check your earnings summary after each ride and cash out whenever you want. 10. Regularly review any updates or new features in the app to enhance your driving experience. These are the general steps to use Lyft driver app effectively.